Good day, welcome to Plus Equal. In this tutorial we will be adding some glass windows and we will drop some assets from the starter content into our scene in order to make it feel more rich. So let's start. First thing we want to do is to get from the starter content, you have probes and we have SM glass window. So we'll grab this into here somewhere. And now we can just press E to rotate it 90 degrees. And let's place it more or less close to the window. Should be more or less in the center, just like that. And now we need to scale it because it's probably a little big here. So let's put it up to the right. Scale it a little bit, push up again. And you know what, should be fine, just like that. Okay, looking good. We can now replicate this one. And by the way, if you, for example, you should be by default be able to press the glass window, but if you can't, it's because the object is transparent. So you might want to press T. For example, if I press T, I can pass through the window if I want to select something behind this glass window. But now if I want to select the window again, I need to press T, and now I can press and select this window. So that's really an option for transparent objects, and then the shortcut that is the T key. So now let's put this into the other side as well. Let me just bring this in. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Alt, drop it right there. Each side should be okay. Here is okay as well. And here should also be okay. We can check here in the preview, and it's perfect at the first try. If you did it on the first try as well, nice job. Now we can just copy this to the other side, and we can do this in this view or this view. For example, if you grab this here with Alt and push it here, you can see that it's taking this size, and if you go here as well, it's done. That's it. Now we'll do the same for the upper window, and for that we need to grab this object here and let's push it up. Press Alt, grab this one, move it down. Okay, should be it. Let me see. Perfect. So we now have all the 4 windows with glass. Let's save our file, save current. So the last step for us is to take this and get some more objects here. This is just with a few geometry for now. So let's add, for example, but please stop what you are doing and remember to create your own stuff. It's very important for you to dedicate time for detailed things as you like, unless you just want to get some result. So what I will be doing now is just I will speed up the video a little bit because I will be placing assets. I can explain some stuff, but the other stuff I will just ignore and just place it on the scene. So let's begin with the basic one. The basic one is really the table. We can drag the table into our scene, and we can grab a statue, put it on the middle. Might get a ceiling lamp. Ceiling lamp could be okay. Okay, I think that's it for now. Just with the basic stuff that is in starter content inside the props. Now I need to build my lighting and see how this goes. Let me just build lighting. If you want to go to another result, what you can do is replace this with a blueprint. Also in starter content you have blueprints here. So for example, I will delete my static mesh for the ceiling light and I get a blueprint here, and we will talk about this later and how blueprints are awesome to do this kind of stuff. So if I put my light here, again, instead of a static mesh is a blueprint, and it brings a light attached, and this is pretty good. Now we can do the same for this one because we have the blueprint for this wall light. So I will just replace it. Let me just push it here and delete this one. And this is actually backwards. Let me just rotate it. Put it close to the wall. I think it's okay. Just put it here because of the stairs now. And you can see that just by adding this, it gives a little touch. I think I will do it instead of having these ones. If you want, you can enter in game mode by just pressing G on your keyboard. And now you can see the effect of it, and it looks pretty good. Okay, I just built my light again. Let's press play here and see how this goes. We can see there inside that this looks very good actually. Let's press F11 to go into full screen mode. And we can go inside. This outside is looking actually pretty good. We go inside, we have our staircase, we have a good light here. Also here, if you go here, the exposure gets, because it is too bright, but if we look inside, looks actually pretty good as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys learned something new with this little tutorial. This was mostly for you to learn how to start a new level. So yeah, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet. That way I will know that you want me to continue making these kind of videos. So thank you a lot for watching, and I will see you next time.